So, this is great. I just got rear-ended by a car. So, yeah, no, it wasn't my fault. They said that their shoe slipped while they were braking and they didn't see my car, and as soon as they saw me, apparently their shoe slipped and they just hit me full force. Airbag didn't deploy, but I'm alright. I'm almost done with my real estate courses. I missed one day, so I had to make it up. And I sound so stuffy because my sinuses, I have a sinus infection right now that I'm getting over. Little quick update. House tour will be soonish because I have some free time, as long as like my head isn't messed up or something. Other than that, yeah, so stay safe out there, drive cautiously, and I don't even know what else to say. I told you guys Arizona drivers suck. This is what I get for saying that. You know? But always stay positive too, so that's why I'm laughing right now, because you can't just always be upset with how things pan out. Things happen, you know. Yeah, that's about it. I'm not gonna be your speaker here or anything, but show you guys a bit of the footage of not it happening, but the aftermath. Now I'm going to drive home very carefully. Even though I was being careful beforehand. I was just sitting there waiting for the light to turn green to turn, and face hit the steering wheel. And I didn't have my glasses on. I'm so glad, because that could have ended very, very bad. So, drive safe. Always have your seatbelt on, and just somehow be prepared to get hit. Nah, nah, you don't have to prepare for that. That's what the seatbelt's for. But nah, I hope you guys are doing well. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Peace.